Hi children, pleasant morning to all. I am Vinoni from Bharadasana Metric High Secondary School and I am here to teach English subject for LKG kids. And today is an interesting topic we are going to see. Do you know what is that? No? Fine, I will tell you. Today we are going to learn A to F words. We learn the alphabet separately from A to Z. So there are how many alphabets in English? There are 26 alphabets and today we are going to learn the spellings of the words from A to F. A ல F இருக்கிற எழுத்துக்கள வார்த்தைகளை எப்படி எழுத போறோம்னு பார்க்க போறோம். Shall we move? You are very enthused? Shall we? Yes, the first letter of the alphabet is A. முதல் எழுத்து என்னது ஆல்பபெட்ல A. A for ant. என்னது இது? Ant, எறும்பு. Shall we spell it out? A N T. Ant. Ant என்ன? எறும்பு. எறும்புக்கு மொத்தம் எத்தனை கால்கள்? 6 கால்கள். எத்தனை கால்கள்? 6 கால்கள். 6 legs. Okay? Ant has 6 legs. எத்தனை கால்கள் இருக்கு எறும்புக்கு? 6 கால்கள் இருக்கு. Shall we spell it out one more time? A N T. Ant. A for ant. And there is a 4 lines for you. Now we are going to write the spelling of the ant. There are top pink line and the bottom pink line. In between these 2 lines you have 2 blue line. By using these 4 lines we are going to write these spellings. Shall we? What is spelling for ant? A N T. Ant. Now we are going to write. First, touch the top pink line and from there draw one slanting line till the bottom blue line. And in the top, same way, touch here and draw one more slanting line and finish it with the bottom blue line. In the center, draw one sleeping line. What is this? Letter A. What letter? A. In ant, what's the next letter? It is N. Yes. Shall we write? To write N, touch the top pink line and draw a standing line till the bottom blue line. In the top, touch and draw one slanting line till the bottom blue line. And from the bottom, draw one standing line. This is the letter N. A N. What's the next letter? It is T. What's the next letter? T. To write T, from the top pink line, draw one sleeping line. Okay. In the center of the sleeping line, draw one standing line till the bottom blue line. T. What letter is this? T. Shall we spell it out together? A N T. Ant. Spell it out one more time. A N T. Ant. The spelling of ant is A N T. Ant. Good. What's the next letter? What's the next letter of A? It is B. After A, it is B. The example of B is bat. என்னது இது? மட்டை பந்து. எல்லாருக்கும் பிடிக்கும் தானே? கிரிக்கெட் விளையாடும்போது என்ன இதுதானே யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? Bat. The spelling of bat is B A T. Bat. Spell it out one more time. B A T. Bat. And the same way there is a 4 line. You are going to write the spelling of bat with the proper strokes. Shall we? Write with me. First letter of bat is B. Shall we write? Touch the top pink line and draw one standing line till the bottom blue line. This is a standing line. And from the top pink line, draw one left open curve and finish it with the standing line. And from there, again draw one left open curve and finish it with the bottom blue line. This is the letter B. What letter is this? B. The next spelling, the next letter of bat is A. To write A, we need 2 slanting lines. First one, draw like this. From the top pink line to bottom blue line, draw one slanting line. In the again, from the top pink line, draw one more slanting line till the bottom blue line. And in the center, there's a space. And you join that with the sleeping line. This is the letter A. B, A. The next letter of that is T. To write T, draw one sleeping line on the top pink line. In the center of the sleeping line, draw one standing line like this till the bottom blue line. This is a spelling for bat. Shall we spell it out? B, A, T. Bat. B, A, T. Bat. And now we saw A, B. Then the next letter is, yes, you are correct, Jaden. The next letter is C. Letter C. C for cat. C for cat. Meow. C for cat. Cat என்னமா? பூனை. என்னது இது? பூனை. Shall we spell it out? C A T. Cat. The spelling of cat is C A T. Cat. எல்லாருக்கும் பூனை ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்னே. Everyone likes cat, right? Yes. Shall we write the spelling for cat? Join with me. To write cat, we need 3 letters. What are they? C A T. Cat. Shall we write one by one? To write C, touch the top pink line. From there, draw one right open curve like this till the bottom blue line. Okay. And the next letter is A. To write A, we need 2 slanting lines, that is backward and the forward. First, draw one backward slanting line from the top pink line to bottom blue line. Slant line வேணும் தானே? அதனால மேல இருக்க pink line ல இருந்து கீழ இருக்கிற bottom line வரைக்கும் slanting line first வரையணும். Okay. From there again touch and draw one more forward slanting line like this. In the center, draw one sleeping line. This is the letter A. See? A. Then the next letter of cat is T. What's the next letter? T. To write T, first touch the top pink line and draw one sleeping line like this. In the center, draw one standing line till the bottom blue line. This is the letter T. Shall we spell it out? C A T. Cat. C A T. Cat. Very good, children. And the next letter, can you tell me, Deepti? Yeah, you're correct. The next letter is D. What is the next letter? D. D for dog. Lul lul. What's the next letter? D. D for dog. Dog na enna? Nai. Dog na enna? Nai. Shall we spell it out? D O G. Dog. D O G. Dog. This is the dog. Do you have a dog in your home? உங்க வீட்ல நாய் இருக்கா? இருக்கா தீப்தி? சூப்பர். சாரா? உங்க வீட்ல இருக்கா? எங்க வீட்லயும் இருக்கு. The spelling of dog is D O G. Dog. Shall we write the spelling? For dog, first we need the letter D. To write D, touch the top pink line and draw one standing line like this till the bottom blue line. Again, draw one left open curve by touching the top pink line till the bottom blue line. This is the letter D. The next letter of dog is O. To write O, draw a circle from the top pink line to bottom blue line like this. This is the letter O. What's this letter? O. இது என்ன எழுத்துமா? O. Then the next letter of dog is G. To write G, first touch the top pink line and draw one right open curve like this till the bottom blue line and just go up and touch the top blue line and there draw one sleeping line like this and the end of this draw one standing line till the bottom blue line. This is the letter G. D O G. Dog. The spelling of dog is D O G, dog. Super, Gayatri. Next, then, can you tell me the next letter? After D, we saw A, B, C, D. Then the next letter is, yeah, it is E. What is this? Egg. E for egg. What is this? Egg. Shall we spell it out? E, G, G. Egg. E, G, G. Egg. Egg nannama? Muttai. Enadhu? Muttai. Everyone likes to have egg, right? எல்லாருக்கும் பிடிக்கும் தானே? எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். உங்களுக்கு? Superb. Egg contains protein. சரிங்களா? புரோட்டீன் இதில் அதிகம். அதனால நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம், நிறைய நல்லா சாப்பிடணும் முட்டைகளை. ஓகேவா? E for egg. E, G, G. Egg. Shall we write the spelling for egg? Here's the 4 lines for you. Shall we? First letter of egg is E. To write E, touch the top pink line and draw one standing line like this till the bottom blue line. And the top of the pink line, draw one sleeping line like this. And again, top blue line, draw one sleeping line. Even in the bottom blue line, draw one sleeping line like this. This is letter E. What letter is? This is letter E. The next letter of egg is G. And to write G, touch the top pink line and there draw one right open curve. Just go up and touch the top blue line and from there draw one sleeping line like this and there draw one standing line till the bottom blue line. This is the letter G and the next letter is also G. So it is easy to write, right? Come, let's write. To write G, touch the top pink line and just come down and go again and touch the top blue line. From there draw one sleeping line like this and draw one standing line. This is also letter G. E, G, G, egg. What is the spelling for egg? E, G, G, egg. Spell it out with me. E, G, G, egg. Super, kids. The next letter we are going to see, the last letter for today's class is F. After E, letter F comes. F for fan. என்னதுமா இது? ஃபேன். எல்லாருக்கும் ஃபேன் பிடிக்கும்ல, சில்லுன்னு இருக்கும்ல. நம்மள ஸ்வெட்டிங்ஸ், அதாவது வேர்வையிலேருந்து நம்மள சில்லுன்னு வச்சுருக்கோம். F for fan. Shall we spell it out? F-A-N. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Shall we write the spelling for fan? There's a full line. Shall we write? To write word fan, we need 3 letters. What are they? F, A, N. The first letter is F. For writing F, touch the top pink line and draw one standing line till the bottom blue line. And from the top, draw one sleeping line like this. Even in the bottom blue line, draw one sleeping line like this. This is the letter F. The next letter of fan is A. To write A, touch the top pink line and draw one slanting line till the bottom blue line. And the same way, draw one more slanting line like this till the bottom blue line. In the center, draw one sleeping line like this. This is the letter A. The next letter of fan is F-A. The next letter? Yes, it is N. To write N, touch the top pink line and draw one standing line like this till the bottom blue line. In the top, touch and draw one slanting line till the bottom blue line. In the downwards, just touch here and draw one standing line like this. This is the letter N. What letter is this? Letter N. Shall we spell it out together? F-A-N. Fan. The letter here we are given is F-A-N. This is the word of fan. Shall we spell it out? F-A-N. Fan. Superb. Applause yourself. And today class we learned just six letters and the words of that letters. Shall we recall it once? A for ant. B for bat. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. The last letter F. F for fan. So kids, just practice it, right? Practicing it in your 4 lines, and following this, I have attached a question banks for you. The first Roman is, you have to write the dictated words from A to F. Okay, ma'am will dictate you the word and you are going to write the spellings of the word. And the next Roman is, you are going to tick the correct answer for that picture. For example, this is the ant and they have given 2 different words and you are going to spell that and you are going to tick the correct answer. Like what is this? Ant. Here they are given 2 spelling. First one A-N-T, ant. B-U-G, bug. In this, which one is the correct? Yes, the first one A-N-T is the correct answer. So here you are going to tick the correct spelling like this. For the second one, bat. You're going to, in this there are 2 different words. One is B-A-T, bat, and the next one is R-A-T, rat. Which is the correct one? The first one. So tick the bat. Likewise, you're going to tick the correct answer, the correct word for these pictures. Then the next Roman is, you are going to write the missing letters for this following words. A dash T. What letter will come in between? Yes, it is N. What letter? N. A, N, T. And so you formed a new word. Like this you are going to write for the fully. Then the next Roman is, you are going to make a new word. You are going to make a new word by adding T to the remaining letters. A-N-T, ant. Just take this spellings and write here A-N-T. A-N, they have given, and you are going to add this T, okay? A-N-T, ant. So you made a new word. Like that, you are going to join this T to these 2 words also. So children, I think you enjoyed this section. Just make practice over the spellings and with the strokes. Thank you. Bye-bye.